This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now, in this important lecture, we are going to talk about lambda functions.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Now, what are lambda functions? Lambda functions are anonymous functions without names. They are defined using the lambda keyword. At the time of definition, I will show you how to use the lambda keyword. And they have only one expression. Only one expression is allowed. But as far as number of arguments are concerned, it can have any number of arguments. Expression is evaluated. The single expression I am talking about. The single expression that it will have is evaluated and the value is returned. Okay, you might be finding difficult to understand some concept, but don't worry, I will give you an example. Now see, this is a very small example of lambda function. I have written my cube is equal to lambda. Lambda is the keyword, then var colon var into var into var. Now see carefully, lambda var colon, lambda is the keyword and var is the argument. After colon var into var into var, it represents the expression. Now this can be only one single expression. After that I have written print my cube 10. Now what does it mean? It means first, let me tell you, as I have told you that there is no function name for lambda function, and what will happen is I will be writing this lambda argument and expression, and it will be assigned to the variable my cube. You can call it a variable or an object. At the time of calling, I would write my cube 10. Now don't say that my cube is the name of the lambda function. Lambda functions do not have any names. We have simply assigned this whole thing into this object my cube. Whenever I need to call this lambda function, I would write print my cube and any value I want to pass. Like in this example, I have passed 10. Now 10 will go to the argument var, and 10 into 10 into 10 will yield 1000. I'm just giving you an example. And after that, it will be returned and displayed at this location. Now lambda function is without any name. It returns a function object which is assigned to my cube. In this example, I am talking about the name of the variable I have taken is my cube. Var is the argument, and in this example var into var into var is the expression. And let me repeat this thing again, that we can have only and only one expression. There can't be multiple expressions. Number of arguments could be multiple. So let me show you this example by executing it. Let's open PyCharm. This is the same example that I have shown you in the slide, and here instead of 10, okay, let me have 10. It's not going to make any difference. Now it will find the cube of 10. Again, let me repeat it. My cube is equal to lambda var colon var into var into var. When you would write print my cube 10, because this whole thing was put into this variable my cube. So my cube will in fact invoke, my cube 10 will in fact invoke this lambda function, which is of course unnamed and anonymous. 10 value will go into this argument var, and this 10 into 10 into 10 will yield 1000. That will be printed here. Control Shift F10 in order to execute this. Here is the output 1000. You can check it out by changing the value of the past argument. Control Shift F10. Yeah, it's 125. So these were the basics of lambda functions.